It's been raining overnight. We live in the Lake District, and the Lake District is so cool because of all the rain. That's why we have the lakes. Coming off England's highest mountain, I think we say Scafell Pike as opposed to Pikes, tumbling down into the lakes. So it's normal to have lots of rain. We've had an exceptional period during the coronavirus of lots and lots of sunshine, which has helped so many people because they've been able to go into their gardens and enjoy it instead of being cooped up inside. But here we go, this is normal now. These lovely reflections. Look at that. The shapes in there. Present for my daughter. And so I'm just going to go a little bit of a sweep of the garden with it all wet and dark. The colours are all vivid. I've planted all the geraniums, not quite all of them actually, but I've planted those and done some weeding. There's a lilac out now on this side. The other side of the garden, they've actually gone brown. We'll just go down to the bottom. The stream's not come on yet, it's on due any time now. We have a full count of fish there. And now into the little dry area where we come to sit. And enjoy the rain. We don't mind it raining because we're sitting under the cover. So there we go for today.